We've been in England for a whopping 3 days, and in today's video, we escape the busyness of outer London and head to the coast, where we have a lot more of a local English experience.
I told you I can't drink a beer before eating.
In the cute little beach town of Southwold.
We maybe left about an hour and a half ago from our friend Dan's house, and we are heading to Southwold, which is a beach town here in England, and it apparently has some of the best fish and chips that we're going to get, according to Dan.
Pretty exciting too, because this will be our first time ever trying a proper fish and chips, and Dan said we're gonna get to try some mushy peas with it. As an American, we've never heard of mushy peas, so are they good, Dan?
You're in for a treat.
They're what?
You're in for
we're in for a treat. Alright, we have finally made it to Southwold. It was like an hour and a half drive from where we were staying in Essex with Dan. But I guess our first mission is to find a proper fish and chips and have mushy peas with it. So
We've had fish and chips before, but I have like super high expectations for this, like super high.
yeah, I feel like
like too high almost. I feel like
like it's just like the thing that it seems like you have to do when you come to England is get some fish and chips. So
right.
I guess let's see. Let's go find some. Well, we were gonna grab fish and chips at that little place, and Dan didn't know that it had burnt down, so so I guess we're gonna go and look for some more fish and chips. We're on this like little like riverside town right now. I guess maybe it's the riverside of Southwold. Don't know. So since our little fish and chip shop burned down, we are stopping at a bar first to get a proper, I guess I have to say proper for everything because Dan's taking us to all the correct places to get this stuff, but we're getting we got a proper English beer, and we haven't eaten yet today, so we're probably gonna feel pretty buzzed. So Dan got us one bag of salt and vinegar chips, crisps, and yeah, cheers.
You bought it around. Right, we've drunk our pints now. Now we need to get fish and chips from a proper chippy. Please.
Sounds good.
I'm starving.
All right, head out to a chippy.
I'm cream crackered.
I'm knackered.
I'm knackered.
How you guys feel?
Cream crackered.
What the fuck does that mean?
All right,
Knackered.
talk to you when we catch our breath. All right, let's find a chippy.
I told you I can't drink a beer before eating.
And then mushy peas and tomato sauce. Thank you.
So we got our fish and chips. It's giant. Like, you say US portion sizes are big. Never had fish and chips in England. Apparently, you have to like add stuff to it. Right, Dan? I'm gonna let Kyle try the mushy peas. Oh, wow. It's really good. That really just burnt my tongue. That's good though. It's just like fried fish.
All right, first ever English fish and chips. Tastes like a pea that's been smashed, that's it. Dip it in my mushy pea. No, it's pretty good.
Some say
It tastes like fried fish.
some say it goes down swimmingly.
Swimmingly?
Yeah.
It does go down swimmingly. It's pretty good. I mean, huge portions like Maddie said. Pretty good.
Get me cutting stuff in it. I get yelled at.
Enjoying it?
It was so
We're really full. Time to go to the car, and I guess we're going into town.
Just next to where we parked is called Southwold Beach. This is one of the nicer beaches, Dan says, in England.
It's so
And it does look really nice though. The water looks nice. The beach is not all rocks. It's like 50% rock maybe. We're gonna go swimming. Dan doesn't want to go swimming, but we're gonna go.
Yeah, it is a little chilly, but you know, we're here. We brought our bathing suits, so I think we gotta go in.
Do you just change naked in front of everyone?
I don't. I tend to go around the towel that I brought.
You only have one towel?
Yeah.
How's it feel?
Wet.
So we're walking on the beach right now, and there's all these cute little beach huts, and I guess Dan says that people purchase them and they use it as their little like beach shack. And it's really cool because the inside of them has like, some people have like little stoves in there, and there's cabinets, and they use it as a little like getaway for the day. Pretty cool.
Let's go swimming.
Gotta say that we were in Lake Michigan like a week and a half ago, and this feels colder than Lake Michigan.
No! You think so? I don't think so. Dan, you weren't even in Lake Michigan.
It's pretty chilly. Dan was having a really rough time.
That's what I thought. I thought you were coming in to pee.
How's it feel, Dan?
Nipply.
No changing rooms on the beach, so we gotta use a towel. All right.
It's so cute.
Yep. Now we are walking on Southwold Pier. Dan said it is fabulous, so we'll see. He says there's not much to it, but
It looks like there are houses on here, but they're actually like little stores and restaurants.
people are fishing at the end. Lots of fish and chips are being eaten. It's a grand old time.
Very cool.
Yeah. So walk around here for a little bit. And you're gonna go take a picture.
Absolutely,
In the
Dan.
sign.
We have to take a
I
picture.
walked
of
you
it.
planks.
Say British on 3.
1, 2, 3, go.
Well, Maddie.
What a place. They just have super old like game machines and stuff there. It's actually really cool.
Yeah, so out on the pier there's this little place called the Under the Pier Show, and it's all like homemade games that people can play. We didn't have any actual cash, so we couldn't play, but they're pretty interesting.
Pretty weird, wacky stuff, isn't it?
All right, well, our camera is about to die, and we're just gonna finish up walking through Southwold. So this was a cute little town, nice beach day, good fish and chips.
Thanks, Dan.
Yeah, so I guess we'll catch you in our next video.
In our next video, we show you the process of shipping our fan from the United States over to Europe. While we thought this was going to be a smooth and simple process, this wouldn't be Kyle and Madie's YouTube channel without a little chaos.
Well, I'm just a little pissed off right now because we're going through the van and somebody stole some stuff. We're missing our $350 fridge.
I'm like shaking right now. It is really upsetting though, and it totally just like ruins the excitement of it.
Yeah, so to whoever stole our fridge, I hope you're enjoying it.
See you next time.